Heartfelt good morning to Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am and my respected teachers. Today, I am Takshil Yadav and I am here to represent my views on National Sports Day. First of all, I would like to wish everyone here a very happy National Sports Day. National Sports Day was started in the year 2012 to commemorate the birth of Major Dhyan Chand, a legendary hockey player known for his ball handling and goal scoring abilities, by which of whose skills he was able to win 3 consecutive Olympic gold medals for India in the game of hockey in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936 in Amsterdam, Los Angeles and Berlin respectively. Born on 29th August 1905 in the house of Mr. Sameshwar Dutt Singh and Mrs. Shraddha in the Prayagraj city of Uttar Pradesh, Major Dhyan Chand's father was Subedar in the Indian Army, and he was also a very good hockey player, as well as the first inspiration for Major Dhyan Chand towards the game of hockey. However, he took his first step towards hockey at the age of 16 when he joined the army, and where his mentor, Mr. Pankaj Gupta, recognized his skills and claimed that this child would shine in front of the world equivalent to the moon one day. And that is where he got the name Chand. Soon after, his friends started calling him Dhyan Chand. Due to his skills, he rose from the post of a Lance Nayak to the major in the army. And because of his skills, it was that hockey was recognized as the national game of India. His life was a roller coaster of struggles, and those struggles teach us several important life values. So first of all, life teachings is devote yourself and give 100% to whatever you do. He practiced and practiced and practiced so much that he perfected his game such that in the games of 1928 in Amsterdam in the Olympic Games, after the final match, his hockey was torn apart to check for any illegal material which would help him move the ball with such elegance and such efficiency. However, no such material was found, and he was compared equivalent to the Don Bradman in cricket. As Don Bradman said, he used to play as if the hockey was an extension of his limb. And that shows the efficiency and the power of Major Dhyan Chand in the game of hockey. Now coming to the next teaching of his life, that is patriotism. He was one of the biggest patriots of his country. In the games of 1936 in Berlin, a practice match was held a day before the final match between Germany and India. And Germany beat India badly in that practice match. However, Team India did not leave their hopes down and gave a sweeping floor sweep. They swept the floor with Germany in the final match, beating them with a score of 16-1. Germany's dictator Adolf Hitler was so confident that Germany would win that even in a crowd of 25,000, he was himself present in the stadium. However, he was shocked to see that India beat Germany with such a high score. So after the match, he called on Major Dhyan Chand and asked him what he did other than playing hockey. And when he responded that he was a Lance Nayak in the army, he offered him a post of airfield marshal in the Germany's wars or in the Germany's army. And he also offered him to come and play for Germany's hockey team. However, he denied respectfully and said that मेरे देश को आगे बढ़ाना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, मुझे आगे बढ़ाना मेरे देश की नहीं. What did he say? मुझे आगे बढ़ाना मेरी देश की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, मेरे देश को आगे बढ़ाना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. Now, coming to the third and most important teaching of his life regarding games, that is sportsmanship. He was not only a great player, but an exceptional team leader who understood his team members, their weaknesses and their strengths, and how to harness them in the game. He taught us that no matter how a good player you are, if you can't coordinate and work with your team, you can't win. So one must always play with their team, coordinate with their weaknesses, their strengths, and recognize their place in the team. He also taught us that एक अच्छा खिलाड़ी वही होता है जो अपनी टीम को अपने साथ लेकर चलता है. So Major Dhyan Chand was a great inspiration to the country. And आज आइए हम सभी एक साथ ये प्रण लें कि हम मेजर ध्यानचंद की तरह अपने आप को देश को डिवोट करेंगे और देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हर संभव प्रयास करेंगे. धन्यवाद. Once again, a very happy National Sports Day.